Was up dropping early. She bad and bougie, but whipping a birdie. My cup is so dirty. Your diamond don't shine, my pinky at 30. Pouring the paint that's so clean. The rims of the Bentley cost 14. Ain't doing no talking to red beat. My bitches
Dumbing out little kids out for Henry. I'm P. Diddy in the fam, all about the Benjis. About to blow like Dizzy Gillespie. Smoking Nestle, I'm a future like next week. Dumbing out little kids out for Henry. I'm P. Diddy in the fam, all about the Benjis. About to blow like Dizzy Gillespie. Smoking Nestle, I'm a the beat on the beat.
Everybody that works at Cutting Edge, I need you guys out here. Buddy that showed up, man. Thank you. Thank you. You know, like, it's my first time doing this, so I didn't know what to expect, you know? Come on in, man. Hey, welcome, man. Come on in. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. Perfect timing, man. There you go, man. There you go. All right, guys. Well, so as many of you guys know, we got a brand new team. So, Stevie, I want to present to you guys the team. You know, Stevie, Alex, G the Barber, Noel, and D the Barber, and D the Barber, Anthony. That's the Barber. And with me, guys, Dr. Play. Dr. Play is this. All right, guys. Well, oh, Timmy, everybody. Oh, and little Lucas. Don't forget little Lucas right here.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a
Cameron. All right, well, it's been a great year. Honestly, when I started, I didn't know where we were heading, you know. Thank God for this, man. I mean, like I said, thank you guys for coming. Honestly, it means a lot to me. A lot. Like this next year and from now on, we're gonna continue to go even harder and for better. Everything for the better. I want to move on to the raffle, you know. I told you guys about the raffle, so let's do the raffle. These are the tickets. And you know what, man? Come on, Jose. I want you to do it, man. I want you to sit in, man. Let's play that kick, man. That kick. Hey. Here we go. Hey. All right, Jose. Ready, man. Go ahead. Spin it hard.
I'm actually giving you
jump shot.
Nothing new me is really still real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices on it. I don't know when to stop in the weekend. I see that you've been down to the shop. Didn't we popped off when your ex?
Hey, congrats, brother. Congrats, man.
You love me. Are you riding? Saying that I believe from a side. And I need you, and I'm down for you.
kissing in a cold to the face. I show them how to network. Netflix is
Hey, cheater. Hey, no, this guy won. All right. Hey. Give it up. All right, guys. Well, thank you to everybody that came. Believe me, it means a lot. Thank you guys. Have a great night, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
Dr. Faye, say thank you to him.
Thank you.